The companion microphone works with your high VTE wireless or high VTE Power Plus wireless hearing aid. It is used to help you hear better in noisy environments and has a range of up to 30 feet. The companion microphone has a rechargeable battery. Charge your companion microphone before using the first time or when the battery is low. Charging an empty battery will take approximately 1 hour. It is safe to leave the charger connected overnight. You will see a series of short red lights when there is 1 hour of battery life left. To charge your companion microphone, plug the charger into the charging port and then plug the two-prong end into a power outlet. During the charging process, the LED indicator will continuously flash red lights. When it is fully charged, the flashing lights will become green. A fully charged companion microphone can be used for up to 9 hours. To turn on the companion microphone, push and hold the power button for 2 seconds until you see the LED light sequence of 2 red lights followed by 1 green light. To turn off the companion microphone, push and hold the power button for 2 seconds until you see the LED light sequence of 2 green lights followed by 1 red light. When ordered together, high VTE wireless hearing aids and companion microphone are paired by HealthInnovations before being shipped to you. Pairing is required when you receive a separate HealthInnovations hearing aid or companion microphone. If you have 2 hearing aids, both can be paired with the companion microphone at the same time. To pair the companion microphone to the hearing aid, first, open the hearing aid's battery door. Second, turn on the companion microphone. Third, use a pen or paper clip to press the pairing button on the back of the companion microphone for 1 to 2 seconds. The companion microphone will blink blue LED lights once the pairing has started. Fourth, within 30 seconds, close the hearing aid's battery door. After a few seconds, you will hear the voice prompt Program 1, Paired, Connected, in the hearing aid. The volume buttons allow you to increase and decrease volume levels on the companion microphone. There are 5 volume levels. The volume will default to level 3 when powered on. If you want your hearing aid louder, use the volume control on the hearing aid. To increase the companion microphone volume, press and release the plus volume button. The hearing aid will tell you which volume has been selected. Once you hear Remote 5 Maximum, the volume will no longer increase. To decrease the volume, press and release the minus volume button. The hearing aid will tell you which volume has been selected. Once you hear Remote 1 Minimum, the volume will no longer decrease. The companion microphone enables you to hear one person or multiple people more clearly. This is especially helpful in noisy environments. To hear one person speak, slide the single group mode switch on the companion microphone to the single person side. This activates the directional microphone. Clip the companion microphone onto the speaker's clothing or use the provided lanyard. The companion microphone should be within 8 inches of a speaker's mouth and should be worn vertically. The closer the companion microphone is to the speaker's mouth, the better you will hear their voice. To hear multiple people speak, slide the single group mode switch on the companion microphone to the group side. Place the companion microphone horizontally on a flat surface close to the group of people. For more information about how to use your companion microphone, please visit HealthInnovations.com or call 855-523-9355 and press 2.